Hello dear employers, I am Cristal Marie Bautista Apolonio. I am 25 years old. I am from Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. I am single. I have one daughter and she is 2 years old. I have a younger brother and I am the older. I graduated high school K-12 curriculum. I did not finish my college because of financial problem. I don't have any experience working abroad. I have a job experience locally. I work as a sales clerk and secretary at Dollesville Hardware Construction Supply, and in the evening, I work as a secretary and encoder at Melville Lending for 1 year. I work also as a sales clerk, waitress, kitchen helper, and cashier at Northeast Restaurant and Pasalubong Center for 1 year. I also work as a household worker for 2 years and 5 months. I serve 3 members of the family, including 1 senior, 1 adult, and 1 toddler. I do household chores like cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, taking care of 1 toddler, and making sure take the medicine of the 1 senior. And also, I work as a dishwasher at water refilling station for 1 year. I am reliable, trustworthy, easily adapt, I have the initiative to work, and I am hardworking. I don't have any tattoo. I never undergo to any surgery. I want to work abroad because the higher salary to provide the needs of my family and to learn and experience new environment and culture. I am not afraid of dogs and cats. How I cope up with a naughty child or a child with a tantrum. First, I always check the safety and try to calm the kid by distracting them creatively with a toy, food, or a game. I can also sing a nursery rhymes. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. To my future employer, I can't wait to meet you and start my career with you. Thank you for taking a chance on me. I will assure you that I will do my job well and neatly. Thank you, my future employer.